Morning everybody, this is Bobby and Jai. Time to get going. I want to share with you a little bit of what I do every morning. So I've been, except for one morning, I've been coming out here every morning and chopping some of these trees down. All of this whole field was cleared before we left to go back to America for 2 months. And look how it's overgrown already. It's so bad. So I've been working on clearing. This side looked just like that side did, just full of stuff. And I'm going to work my way to the road first, get it this wide, and then I'm going to turn around and come back this way and continue. It's like a jungle in here.
It grows quickly, huh? Very quick.
These are actually the easy parts. Pulling all this spring brush out after is the hard part.
Very good exercise, huh? Be careful walking, baby.
Somebody used this for a dump.
Yeah. Be careful, baby.
I really worry a lot about the snakes in here. It's so thick.
Maybe you want to go outside? The other side? No?
No, I'll keep going here. Let's go and see.
Be careful walking fast. You don't expect that you're gonna use jean where in Thailand, huh?
The guy that cut the trees down left a lot of branches everywhere too. So I don't know if we can burn this or what we can do with it yet. The work progress, huh? Yep.
See? Better. A little bit per day for exercising. very sweat in your back. Good exercise, huh?
It is. Really
Yeah.
good exercise.
Mm.
Well, that's just a brief little bit of what I'm doing. I try to do an hour and a half of this, but I'm still recovering from my neck surgery. So if you like this content, please reach down, mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.